What's good, you guys? Oh my god. This is the first live trading that we're doing right now. We are actually live trading. Just let me check what day it is. Day 62. This is the live trade. You're gonna be with here, and I'm gonna show you how it is. So let's get in because market opens in 4 minutes. I already marked everything out, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys. Okay, so look at this. Okay, here's my spiel for this. All right, hourly. Now you guys remember news, right? This big spike on gold. Obviously US dollar spiked down, but you can see now US dollar, we're making our way back up. Pre-London swept Tokyo's low. Now we're coming up. Now London, before market open, we are going to get some type of manipulation, and then we're going to distribute back up into this area. But where's our liquidity? It's got to be up here. There's no orders in this area. That just shot down like a bullet. Even gold. What are we doing with gold right now? This is ideal. We have an SMT down here, which is perfect. We're making this happen. We have a bearish SMT. So now I already missed the original move. I missed, but I don't trade pre-market because we open now in 3 minutes. So what I want now these are my areas. We did respect this inverse fair value gap on the 15. You can see that there. Fair value gap here. We inversed it. Now we're tapping into it right now. We're coming back up and tapping into it. Then we're probably likely to fall. TP1 will be down here. TP2, man, it's got to be. Oh, that's the crazy part. Like, I'd put it above this fair value gap. That'd be a nice trade for today. But we know we're bearish. We're bearish. We need some type of retrace up into here. Like on the 3rd, we haven't even made a fair value gap yet. So this is why we wait. On the hourly, but you can see that we opened, New York opened right here. We already had that sweep of all this liquidity up here. We took all this out. Now we're falling down. So we can look for shorts today, basically what I'm saying. Now we just got 2 minutes to lock in, and I'm going to get my MetaTrader out. And yeah, let's just see what happens. I think it'll be a good trade for today. I want that retrace though. 100% I want that retrace. But it's going to look like short. It's going to be shorts today. Can we pull up a little more? I need this 5 minute to close. Once this closes in, New York opens. Yeah, New York opens in 1 minute, so. But pre-market looked pretty good. We got that move already. Now we can just look for, like, maybe New York opens here and we just fall down. That could happen, but I don't know. New money coming in. I would expect maybe this move, then some confirmation, then we'll go down. That's just my thought. Everything lines up. So if we look at the hourly, we have our session sweep already. London swept, Asians high, and computers high. Whatever. Same shit. Now we're getting that fall down. Okay, good. Let's keep scaling in. We have an inverse fair value gap right here that we've tapped into. We have a fair value gap here, which is not really lining up to the inverse, but it's pretty darn close. No, it's not, because this here is the inverse, the fair value gap. So that's fine. But new money now. Okay, now we're open. This is good. Now we got our MetaTrader up. Remember my trade last night? It actually would have hit, but I had to get out because it was a stupid friggin' trade. So let's wait now. Let's see. We want price to come up, take out maybe this high. Move up, move down. This is the high here. Pop into here. Confirmation out. What's the 1 minute doing? Yeah, so we're really pushing up here. This is what I want. Just watch this. So if we take our fib tool from the swing low to swing high, we want to hit that 50%. We don't want to take this low out though. We take this low out, then it's not going to be ideal. We want to come up into around this area, and then I'll take a trade off that. But it's looking pretty promising. Yeah, like we're pulling up right now. Like we're in this as well. We took out this high. This is a really good sign right now, you guys. Like, this is what we want. Yeah, like look, ideal situation right now. We need to keep coming up. Oh my God, this is huge. 50% mark. Think we fill it? Okay, we filled it. Now we're in that perfect fair value gap that I wanted. That's our retrace right there. So the people who had stopped above, people who entered here and maybe here had their stops above this, stops above this possibly. So we filled the 50%. So now we could probably trade from this, but I would wait for a confirmation. So I'm going to go to the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we need to, if we inverse this, that's nice, but we're probably still going to keep moving up. Remember now, 9:30 opens. Market open. There's no news until 11:30. So we're going to trade before that. We're going to get our trade in before that. But this is just market movers. Okay, let's push it up. Let's push it up. And then we fill the 50. So I could probably take a trade off that. Like I should probably lock in right now. But I'm not going to. I need more. But you guys can see like how ideal we hit that fair value gap. Right, fill 50%. And now we're going. I want to see it on the 1 minute. I need a break of structure now because we took out this high. That's what I wanted. Let's just wait. Let's inverse this. Like I probably could have took that trade up there, but I want price now too. So we did in fact it stopped everyone out. Now it's coming back down. I'm still gonna wait. It's pretty cool how that shit works. We swept all this. People had their stops up here. Their TPs were probably down here, most likely. So we took that. Now let's just see what price wants to do. So we are making higher highs, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I want a break structure. A lot of people take the trade off of that, but that's just a confluence for us because we know we're going short. So we filled that. Now we're back here. We didn't even close. So that's the fair value gap that we wanted. It probably hit 50% of that. Everything lines up. So now, just wait. We need a break of structure here and confirmation. Then let's lock in for a trade for today. Let's check DXY. It's lagging. I want to see this 15-minute close, actually. This is wicked, though. Live trade. I think this is what I should be doing because I can speak about it more and you guys can actually visually see. Okay, so now we're really pulling up. I want to break structure, though, before I enter anything. Yeah, so we're making it bullish. Bullish run. What is the hourly saying? Hold on. This is a good sign. What are the low time frame highs? Yeah, like we took out this high. We're in this fair value gap right now that I really wanted to go into. That's what I wanted to see. But it looks like we respected this fair value gap here. But if we can respect this, that doesn't mean shit. But I want that closure on the 9 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, whatever. It's looking good today. We'll just wait it out. So we are getting that respect off of this, which is huge. Let me go to the 15. That's an SMT right here. Lower low, higher low. What do we have here? Lower low, higher low. We have a higher high, or we have a higher high and a higher low. How about that? We have a higher high. Yeah, so we're looking for it here. We're really looking for this. Nice. Let's keep waiting. Basically, someone took a trade off that. Possibly got stopped out again. I would say people have done that. But right now, we're looking higher low, lower low, higher high, or higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We need to break structure here. On the 15, this is making our lower high. So this is perfect. I'm still gonna wait because we are strongly rejecting out of that area, which is ideal. We're getting a hard push out of it again. I want to break this low and then continuation, and then we hit it for value gap and come out of it. I'm taking a short. I'm feeling very confident about today. I'm not sure where to put my take profit, to be honest with you guys, because it's such a weird one. With I would probably send it Tokyo's low. I'm not going some crazy shit like that. So if we can inverse that, once that's formed, that's looking really good. But look, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. I want that break, and then possibly up here, and then a confirmation there, and I'll take that trade. Really, the trade could be up here, but because I don't know like the area of liquidity for us to really take. We are 50%. Like I could take that trade right now, but that's not my morals. You know what I'm saying? And you can see US dollar right now is respecting a bearish for value gap. So honestly, we'd have to wait. I'm not too concerned about it, but we are pushing up. Now we really took it out. See, I would still want this high to be taken out. Like even this one would be fine. But if we can take this one out, then I'll feel strong about it. Then again, we gotta wait for this 15-minute closure. Let's get a respect out of it, because we filled the 50%. This 50% is filled. Like I know we're gonna go down after this, because we're bearish. My bias is bearish. I'm not going against it. Especially, actually, I'll tell you in a sec. I just want to wait. I don't even know what price I want to go for the day. Like this here blows my mind. Like if we were to target that, I would actually target this. But no, because the liquidity is down there. So you tell me. Do we have any hourly? No hourly confluences at all. Everything is just chop, 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 chop. So let's see what the fit. Like we're right in it. Like I could sell right now, but I need to wait because this fair value gap is respected. Came in, now we push up, but I need to see price do something out of this. So if I can see some break of structure, continuation confluence, boom. So we took this out, and we are taking that out right now. So we have so much liquidity down here to take out. Okay, so we are moving up. We do have news in 18 minutes, and it's like medium impact, and it could do something to the dollar, so maybe we wait. It's not high impact, but at least monthly on the 17th business day after the month ends. So usually, actual is greater than forecast, it's good for currency. When the actual is greater than forecast. So we want a good news day today to know that we'll be bearish for gold. So we have filled our 50%. We're still in this candle here. We have 2 minutes left of this candle. Let's check the 30 because this is like my favorite. But we do have an inverse fair value gap here, fair value gap there. So no, my bias is still bearish. Don't care. I'm not changing that. Oh, my leg, super friggin' itchy. Let's go over here. Looks like New York has come down to sweep these lows, this low here. Then we can wait for that reversal. Because look, they're doing the same thing right now. We have these lows here, but we have these lows as well, which is session low. So it's kind of similar what would happen. We're still pushing up. Is the 15-minute candle close yet? No, we got 1 minute. I don't want to take a trade out of the 15. 50 seconds left. 45 seconds left. I want to see what this minute candle is going to do after this. This is huge here because we're in the fair value gap right now. This is the inverse fair value gap. Because you can see, oh, not in the high time frame. I don't know. That was the inverse fair value gap. Actually, we pulled through that, so we can get rid of that now. Now we're right at the top of that. Yeah, we're really pushing. I wonder what would happen now. Some people take trades off of this. I don't do shit like that. So if we pull through this and close, no, we don't. But now we have a new candle. Now let's start to get that move down. Oh, she's going up. So I can safely say we're probably going to disrespect this. I really thought it was going to be bearish. It probably still can be, but we are falling down to take out the low here. I feel like we're coming up to take this high out. Jesus. We're stopping everyone out. We're stopping everyone out that took this trade, probably off of here, and their TP was down here. We're coming up to stop them out. So then we can wait. I do want my stops above this. I don't know, I think we're going to our trade's probably going to be right here. Take profits down here for sure. But we are disrespect. Oh no, look, it's still like in it. But if we get a 5-minute close out of it, no, we need a 15-minute close out of it actually. because it's not a 5-minute fair value gap. It's a 15-minute fair value gap. You see what I'm saying, though? Okay, well, let's wait. Because that's the previous fair value gap that was filled. I was gonna take that trade actually. I was gonna trade that here, but I need to wait for New York because it's so volatile. The big moves are coming soon. I'm hoping news coming out today is good for the dollar, so it doesn't fall down. We're gonna wait for news though. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for news because I don't want to just gamble that, because that would be a gamble. Comes out at 11:30. Where would it be? Where can I watch this? Source. Census Bureau. Is it live? It's pretty cool actually. I'm so glad that I can. Okay, so we do. All right, if we can get a change of structure or a break of structure, so we have. Wait, I would need it on the. Ooh, that's rough because if this closes bearish, or if this closes down, it's going to be a higher low. Well, but we're getting a push. Okay, that's a good sign. Now I want this back up into here. Because we took out all these low time frame highs. We even took that out. On the 5-minute, we took this out. I wanted that taken out. And we took that out. So if we can pull up into here. So breaker structure on the 1-minute would be. Yeah, we broke structure. No, we didn't. Yeah, we did. That is a break structure in the 1-minute. Now we're in the fair value gap. If we push through it, then it's just useless then. But if we can get a rejection out of it, yeah, if that closes there, that's then that's fine. But I would want a 5-minute break of structure. Yeah, so we pulled above it, so that's fine. We still wait. We're still gonna wait. That's a big market jump from New York Open. Like, I think it's wild. But this is a low time frame high. Still think we're bearish. This is good. This is good. But we're breaking structure now up here. So if we can get, holy shit, prices moving up high. These hedge funds, man, they just move that market like crazy. What's gold doing? Or sorry, look at this. This is craziness. So we are falling down. We are breaking structure now. We are on a downtrend on the US dollar. So we can sweep London's high. Then we'll look for reversal off that, because that's what's happening. Holy fucking movement, hey? Isn't that crazy? Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, come up and sweep this high at least. So this is our New York pre-market high. I can see it sweeping that. But if it wants to sweep that, it wants to sweep fucking that. So we need to sweep and inverse, and then we can go. But this is why we wait. This is why we wait. Everyone's getting stopped out right in a second. That took that trade that wanted to go to London's low. Unless they took the body closure, then they would have hit it. But a lot of people don't. So this is craziness. That's a huge flipperoo. swing high, swing low. We're right in the 79 right now. So that's a good sign too. We fill the 79 extension. Take out this high, please, and thank you. So I can take a trade. My bias is still bearish. Ooh, we did inverse this and tap into the fair value gap. No, we didn't. Not the inverse, but we did hit the fair value gap. And now we're pulling down the 15 here. There's no, like, now we're inversing this. Why do I have that marked out? We can probably get rid of that now. Yeah, we probably could. Okay, we took out these highs. Okay, once we take this out, that's a good sign. Let's get rid of this so we can focus more on that. It's gonna be a long video. There is a big liquidity pool here on the top, but I still think we're bearish. There's no way gold can keep going up. No, we're almost at all-time highs now. I can't look right yet. Come on, sweep London's high, please and thank you. Once we hit this draw in liquidity, that's a good sign, because, well, there's this, this, and this. This is all together. I would like to see that sweep up here, and then we can fall down, because we didn't take anything out here. We just got that move up. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Let's keep watching. 15 minutes. If we close up here, it's a break structure to the upside now. But if we can get that sweep and look for a change of structure, stuff like that, then we can look for that full pull down. Pull full down. Because we're not at the highest point yet in market movement. And news comes out in 6 minutes. Maybe we could go against it? No, because I don't know much about it yet. 5 minutes is going to tell us. Okay, so I kind of want to know what would happen here. What's today? August 25th. June, July, August. I feel like it's going to be, I don't know, we'll see. I wouldn't be able to just say. Okay, so we swept that piece of liquidity. We didn't fully reach that, but we swept this. People got stopped out here, whoever took that trade. That's a good sign. Low time frame sweep. Pre-market. Ideal. Let's check the 5 minute. I want some type of movement. I want like confirmation. But then again, we have news after this candle. But again, we still swing. That's our swing low. That's our swing high. Oh shoot, my bad. I was supposed to go high to low. That's our swing high. That's our swing low. Like, we're in the 79 here. If we can inverse this area, we're gonna have to wait. Alright, we got that sweep, perfect. Now let's take our hands out of our pants. Take our pants out of our hands. We can pants ourselves. We can drop our pants from our hands. We can pants our hands to hand pants. And then we can trade. We can trade off of our pants handed. News comes out in 3 minutes. Let's just check the 3 minute candle. Sweeper. Sweeper. Fucking, I love that video. Oh my. 5 minute. What are we saying? Crazy shit. 15 still looking bullish. We sweep that. Sweeper! We didn't take out this high though. I still would want that. But that's the thing. We want the continuation because we have our, you know, London swept out these highs to come down to take out these relevant lows. These are pretty close though. That's a big pool right here of liquidity, all this. So I don't even know what I would do. 3 minutes. What time is it? Okay, it comes out now right after this candle. I also just finished my coffee, so I need to get a new one. But not quite yet. Let's see what happens. I'm very curious what this dollar... Okay, so we're making our way back up. We inversed this. This is a good sign. We swept out these lows. We didn't necessarily take out those. But really depends on news. Just depends on news. Let's watch it happen in the moment. Maybe we can come up and sweep that here. There's no way. If we can get that sweep. Okay, we got our sweep here. That's a good sign. Also 15 still bullish. But we did sweep that. 5 minute candle. 3 minute candle. Let's wait for news. New home sales, medium impact. It can. The previous was 627. Forecast 635. So if the actual is greater than the forecast, good for currency. Okay. So let's wait for that. 1 minute and 20 seconds. They're gonna come out with some news here. Markets are open, baby. Sweeper. Pre-market high sweep. That could be cool, little thing of a doodle. But this is so fucking close where I think that we want to take that out, no? Because we have like 2 highs that it's like a resistance zone. Price pushed up to it. Just didn't want to. It's like low to high. This is TJR's strategy, by the way. You always push up in those areas on the 30 minute. Are you coming out or what? 40 seconds? What's going to happen? What are we thinking? Do we get a pull up? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. UK bank holiday. Huh? No one's trading GJ. That'd be stupid. Alright, 16 seconds. Let's wait. Let's see what the actual is. Alright, we could probably tell what's going to happen with what price does. If it's actually good for the currency or not. So if we pull down, then it's going to be bad for the currency. So pending. Does it do anything to the market? No, it does not. Still not out yet. Okay, so it's good for so it's bad for the US dollar. Okay, now we have the sweep. Let's wait. Let's watch it happen. So it was actual is greater than forecast. What does that mean? If the actual is greater than forecast, good for currency. Okay, we're going down. Let's wait for this. Okay, we got our sweep. Sweeper. Now this is gonna start going up. That's a weird movement. What the fuck? Yeah, we're gonna pull up so I can see SMT right now. I'm not selling just based off that. That's not happening. I need confirmation. But we are showing. Okay, now push down. So it was good for news. Was good today. It's good for the currency. If actual is greater than forecast, it's good for currency. So let's get our movement down. Let's check the 5 minute. So we actually did sweep that, which is perfect. Now, so we got a liquidity sweep. Now we need to break a structure. I got it written down right here. Key level to be hit, bingo. Look for reversals on low time frame, 1 minute and 5 minute. Perfect. We're looking at that. Then we need inverse for value gap, break a structure, and a 79 extension fib tool, which is, where's that going to be? Let's have a little look. I'm going to go on the 5 minute here. So we have our swing low. That's our swing low. This is our swing high. Fuck, shit, my bad. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. So we want a reversal off this. Shit. Let's wait for a reversal. Look at that. Look at those monster candles. Price is pulling up. It should not pull up because we have. It's good. I want to see a build back. I want to see some type of build back, but we are hardly rejecting these areas. So, but there's so many liquidity. Look, that's taken out. This is taken out. That's a crazy push up. We also swept that. We swept this and we swept this. This is close. These are so close highs, so I wouldn't see why. Fuck. I was thinking bearish today. I really did not think that price was going to move like that. New market up. Now they're going to push it down because this is starting to get high volatile. We have our pre-market up here. Take that. Let's wait for a reverse. Now we can just chill and just fucking wait. It's still recording, hey? This is going to be a long video. I'm still thinking we're going to get a sweep. Or I mean a reversal. All right, market, and a little bit of news that helps a lot too, because that's a good day. Good day for the US dollar. Let's check the US dollar. So we are building back up. This little pause in the market is weird. A 1 minute pause right at news. Now we wait. Problem is, New York opens and just flies up. We didn't even come down and take anything out. So that's why I'm thinking that now everyone's got stopped out. People are probably looking for longs. People probably enter in here. No, I would not enter that. Okay, so price is rejecting this side pretty good. Doesn't want to go up there. So if we can get a reversal, I need to look for a low time continuation on confluences. We don't have an inverse for value gap yet. Hold on. This is a fair value gap here. No matter what size it is, it's still fucking fair value gap. Look at that. Let's get our MetaTrader open. So what do we see here? Hard push down. Nice reversal on the 1 minute. Okay, that's huge. Let's get this inverse tapped into if we can create a fair value gap, unless we just push down hard. But I would like to see a little doji candle here, pull up to this area, continuation inverse fair value gap, break of structure. So break of structure is happening right now. What's the 5 minute doing? This is still an uptrend on the 5 minute though. That's the problem. So we would want to see a close, come up here. Then we know that we're in a change of trend. This is important here. Inverse value gap. So 12 seconds to create that little pause in the market here. That's huge, unless we close in it. So we're in it right now, but it's not a fair value gap because, no, it wouldn't be. I mean, we did tap that area. I want to see movement out of this. Okay, inverse fair value gap, maybe respected. We would want a closure out of it. I wouldn't consider that a close out of it. But if this gets disrespected on the 1 minute, then we can say bye-bye. But it does look like a trend. Looks like a. So yeah, if we close above that, I'll just get rid of it. I'll just get rid of that. We're still going. Okay, good. Six seconds. I can safely say that that's going to be disrespected. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We still wait. Maybe we want to come back up and take it out again. Who knows? But that's a new trend. Lower high, lower low. Lower high. Maybe we can keep going. What's a 5 minute? We'd want that fair value gap was disrespect. Yeah, it already was. So, okay, break structure. Break structure right here. Let's see if we can continue this trend. Okay, we're starting to pull down. Looks like the trend is changing. This is a good sign. How about the 5 minute? Did we open new candle yet? Okay, yep, new trend. Where does it want to retrace to though? There's no like retrace in the 1 minute. That's the only problem that I don't like. Oh, possibly we can create this fair value gap, which would be nice. But I need to wait for this to change because that's still creating a higher low. And on the 15, we can see that's still bullish. So we are going to target Tokyo's low or even London's because it's a similar low. Yeah, we'll mark that out because that's going to be our target because we're up there pretty high. Let's just keep waiting. So we are doing it in the we are doing it. So let's wait. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Okay, fair value gap here. If we can respect that, that would be nice. I need to wait for the 5 minutes because it's still a higher high and a higher low. See, like, if we do make that close here, that would be nice actually. Because then we can see it push down, push up, push down. I'm in there. It's probably about where I'd be. See, now we're pushing up again. So now we really still have to wait. Maybe price coming up. This is a hard rejection area. We swept these highs. People probably taking shorts there. What's the US dollar doing? It's being weird. What is this? That's weird looking. It happened everywhere. Price does not want to come above this area. I can see a sweep of that again, actually. I don't know. I still think we're bearish today. We're gonna take that move and we're gonna take out this low, even if we did that low. We do have a bullish fair value gap here, but I want to see a trend change. Yeah, I definitely want to see a trend change for sure. For sure. What's this doing here? I still think we're bullish on the dollar as well, especially after new home prices coming out and looked solid. So we can invert. Look, we got an inverse fair value gap on that from a sweep. So we got our session sweep. We got a pre-market sweep here too. So we're not session sweep, pre-market sweep. So now we're pulling back up. Now I don't even know. If we can inverse this, that'd be cool. Okay, so now we took out people who maybe went short here, because their stops are going to be on that high. Let's check the 15. After this candle closure, then we'll see some movement, because we're still in the bullish trend, so there's no need to take trades off that. That's a hard push up. It's a really hard push up. Now we just swept that. Oh my goodness. There's another area of liquidity swept. It's a hard push up. Now we're creating higher highs, higher lows. So I don't even know what I would do now, because my bias was bearish. Why did I get that bias? Well, because of this. Pre-market. So we'll see. We'll see what we want to do. I gotta look for a liquidity sweep, which is up here. We took this out again. What's GJ doing? Oh, it's making its way up. Could possibly trade GJ. No, because the UK has a bank holiday. Do not trade. I hope nobody's trading GJ. UK bank holiday. Don't trade it, please. Fuck, I need some music coming on. Watching candles for the day. Still early. Still early in the market. It's still only 10:15. Not even an hour in the market. But I don't like being in there that long. So past 12, I'm not trading. I'll trade before that. I want to see some type of movement. Unless it's just bearish. Or unless it's just bullish for us. Because we didn't even get a 5-minute retrace into anything. It's crazy. Like, if anything, we come into this area. It's just pushing up. I'm going to post on my story. This is what What the fuck? So we got that pre-market fall that I thought was going to happen. No, that's not even what I want to say. What do I want to say? Well, this is just fucking me here. Everything is up. There's no way that... Oh my god, I need to check the 15. Hold on. Yeah, so we are bearish. What is this? We're bearish here. I really thought we were going to be bearish here. Ooh, now we can maybe get that move down. Maybe we can inverse that. Okay, so maybe we're getting the sweep. No, it's still going up. Now, let me kind of put you through why I thought it was bearish too. Now, it still can be. But if we look at the 1 hour, we swept out all this. All this was taken out on this move up. All this was taken out on the move down. We are building ourselves back up. On the hourly, we can see that there's nothing. We disrespected this for value gap. Respected this one. I still think we're going to keep going in the overall sense. But it's looking really weird here. Now we're creating an inverse on this. So, don't even know, dude. To be honest with ya. To be honest with ya, I don't even know, dude. Why is my economic model down here? It should be up on the wall. I'll fix that. Okay. Now we can look for the reverse. After this sweep, and this sweep. This is the next higher. No, that would be the high. No, that would be the high. Okay, so we are getting that move down, break of structure. Let's wait for a break of structure. So we hit our higher time frame levels of liquidity. Liquidity. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. All right, what are we seeing here? Okay, hold on. Inverse for value gap. Inverse for value gap in the 1 minute. Yeah, we do have it. Look at that. Here to here. No, we don't. It wouldn't be counted. So it would be around that area where we want to respect it, but we're pushing through it again now anyway. But that's what we want to see. So higher high, higher low. That would be a lower high if we can get a closure here. We pushed through it. We didn't close above it though. Okay, hold on, let's see. So low time frame sweep could be. I want to get some type of movement down this way. If not, then we're fucking bullish. Yeah, so it's still fucking me here. I think we could have took longs, but I was not taking longs today. I'm not going against my bias. I just maybe fucked up my bias. But the thing is, we got our London session sweep of Asia session. And then we started falling down. We didn't take out anything down here. We didn't take that out. We did not take out London's low. So I don't see why. I don't see why we're trading a bullish day for this. I still think this is going to be a bearish day. We just wanted to come up and take this out. Everyone that took shorts on Friday, even from here, they probably targeted all the way down there. They're all getting stopped out. So we can look for that reversal here. We are creating a fair value gap though. See, even if I was to take a trade today, this would worry me. This huge monster imbalance here. There's two. So that would be a day where we just don't trade, maybe. DXY, we are pulling up. But I should have noticed this. It shouldn't matter to me, though. We're not looking at that. We're looking at this beauty. Wait. So we are getting a nice movement. What's the 1 minute doing? Do we have any inverse for value gap here? So this is good. Inverse for value gap. Respected. Okay. Inverse for value gap. That's our sweep confirmation or confluence. Now let's tap into a what's it gonna call it? Okay, I'm gonna go to MetaTrader because it could be coming up soon. This could be the sweep that we were waiting for. I want a 5 minute candle closure below here. Aha! If we can get a break of structure below here, then it's looking good. Like we can take that trade. I don't like that. It's gonna piss me off. I need to level that out. Right there. If we can break that structure down there and then have that movement up, I'll take that trade. I want that down there. 5 minute break of structure would be important. So 5 minute break of structure, 1 minute confluence. If we can respect this, it's looking really good. Why do I have that there? How is that a 5 minute? Yeah, that's the 5 minute low. I want that close below there. In 1 minute and 28. We can probably get that. 5 minute for value gap. Respect. This is looking good here. Order block. Tap back into. See this? Move up. That's our order block confirmation. This is looking good. Sweep. We got a liquidity sweep up here. We swept these highs. Now we're making that push down. We broke structure on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, not yet. Because look, higher high, higher low, higher high. Could be a higher low. But if we break that, then that's a lower low. And this would be the lower high. But I want to wait for that move down. All right, for value gaps respected. We'll see. Oh, my neck. Oh, you heard that. Let's respect this for value gap, which is done. Order block, perfect. On the 1 minute, 5 minute. It's okay. I still want to wait for a new closure down here. I don't want to move up though. We don't want to close and move up. Actually, no, that would be okay. If we get a close and a move up, then a move down, that's trend continuation for a bearish. But I would want that broken. Yeah, so we stayed here. So we're in a fair value gap right now. So this is why we wait. This is exactly why we wait. So yeah, we're in the fair value gap now. Let's see if it can maybe retouch our order block. If that's an order block, it might not be. But it looks like that's where orders would be filled. So now we just wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. Why do I fucking sing that? Sing that. This is disrespected. We inverse the fuck out of it. So like shit. Oh, maybe not. I want that closure. This is good because we can get holy fucking strong push. Hard rejection out of here. I want a closure down there. So I don't have to shit in my fucking underwear. This is looking good. Let's see. Close down here. Good. Go. so we can sell that. See, the problem is, if we look at the 15, it's a higher low if this closes in 3 minutes below that. So we are going down there. On the 5 minute, there's no retrace. On the 1 minute, there is. Not really. Order block tapped into, almost tapped into it again, actually. Well, actually, this would be the order. Oh my god, I thought I moved the candle. That would have been crazy. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Good continuation there. 5 minute. I need a closure below that, please and thank you. If we can get that, this is going to look pretty good. Let me take my fib tool, hold on. That's still the swing low, and this is still the swing high. Shoot, wrong one. Take our swing high to our swing low. Now we want to, we want a closure below the 79 extension, which is pretty much down there. So we can look for that. That's going to look good as well. This is the area right here, which is an inverse fair value gap. Yeah, we're good. We're starting to get that movements we wanted. I want to look at the 5 minute. I want a closure below that though. We did close below it on the 1 minute. Okay, good. Good. Probably could have trade out of there, but no, I still want to wait for this. Okay, broke structure. Not yet. Good sign. Good sign for a possible entry. Entry is going to be here. Stops above this. Let's target. We'll target New York's open. Oh, fuck. Did I miss it? No, because we need to move back up. But I will sell pretty soon. Unless it's a 15-minute retrace, which I don't think that's what it's going to be. We are in a fair value gap right now. Good, we got our 5 minute break. Perfect. 1 minute change. We are 5, so we have 1 minute and our 5 minute switch in trend. Now, what do we want to see here? Continuation. So, let's pull up. See, really we would have traded that. But I want to see this to be respected. Not respected, but figured out. We got a 5 minute change of structure. Perfect. Love to see it. Let's get a retrace if it wants to give it to us. That is our sweep. I am 100% honest that this is going to be our entry. I need to move back up into these areas. So we can come up in here, respect that. Perfect. Ooh. Holy shit. Hold on. I can't go yet. Yeah, I cannot go yet. Where's that fair value gap? It is right there. So if we can close below that. Okay, so we're pushing above it. No, this is good because it's a retrace in the 5 minutes. But where's it retracing to? Nowhere. That's why we scale down to the 1 and we look for the entry. I'm actually going to enter very soon. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we broke structure to the upside here. This is why we fucking wait. This is good though, because we're on a new trend now. But people probably took shorts there and have their stops up here. What would this even be? Like, would we take that? Probably not. This is why you wait. But we're going to enter soon. Oh, that's a hard move up. See, that's the thing, right? Like, look at that. On the 15, we hit that fair value gap. Our high, our low. Now, if we keep moving up, then shit. Yeah, so now we're in the order block, possibly. You know, we got our sweep. We got our order block. We inverse this whole thing. Yeah, I don't even know, honestly. Bug. This was a good start here, though. This here was what I wanted to see, but this move hurt it big time. There's no news. Yeah, there's no fucking news, so that's weird. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's a weird day, too. Okay, we're in the order block, if it's an order block. Alright, inverse fair value gap. We need to see it happen. What's this saying? We're still in a downtrend in the 5 minute. Holy fucking push. Somebody took that trade for a bullish trade. Maybe we should look for longs today. But I don't know, it's weird because we're... This is why we wait for continuation, and you want breakage structures on the higher time frames as well. We're still in bearish trend here on the 5 minute. 15, we're overall bullish. But if we can close here, we'd still be bullish on the 15. But if we can close here and close there, then get that move up, then we're taking that short. But right now it's, I don't even know, it's fucking wacko right now. Okay. Who else thinks that gold today is gonna make a God damn. This is crazy. Okay. Inverse this, please, and thank you. What's good, dude?
What's up, brother?
Not much. Can I give you a call on Discord in a few minutes? I'm just here live trading.
I'm getting out right now, so
Okay, yeah.
We'll have a Discord. I'm heading out for a run, so I figured I'd give you a call while I head out.
Yeah, man. Whenever you get back, when do you think you'll be back?
I'm probably gonna be about an hour to an hour and a half, because I want to do a longer run today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see how I'm feeling.
Yeah, man.
So, but yeah, I can give you a call later. I've been so busy, man.
Yeah, no, totally, dude. Like, whenever you're free and you're home, like, settled away, just shoot me a call.
Yeah.
Beauty.
All right, brother.
All right, take care now.
Yeah, see ya.
See ya. So look at this move. It is a trend change now. What about the 5 minute? So it's still bearish on the 5, 15 minute. Still bullish. But we're playing in this area. This area is like, this is the part of the sweep that's gonna happen. If you look at the high, like, it's gonna start moving soon. Oh, it's already done its fucking move, unfortunately. But that is an order block, for sure. But we did respect the fair value gap right here. We also tapped into one down here. I guess it's bullish, you know, like, I'm still trying to understand this trading. I thought we were gonna reverse today, especially after taking out everything. Excuse me. What's the 15 doing? Let's see. We're chopping it up right now. The price doesn't want to go above this area. So I can see a fall happen. We wanted that closure. We want it below the 79 extension, which is this blue line here. So that's a good sign. Like, this is really good signs. But I don't know. I want change of movement. See, look, lower high, lower low, lower high. Hard rejections out of that order block on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute would be this whole candle. But we want these quicker moves. Yeah, like, doesn't want to go above that. I still believe bearish is the call. We have possibly inverse fair value gap. If price doesn't come into this area right now. So it would be this area. That would be the little tiny spot that we want. It's a big push up. So it doesn't want to go bearish. Also doesn't want to go bullish from this part. But we missed this. Just keep watching. I'm gonna get rid of this. No, because I want that 79 closure below. It's crazy, that big rejection up there. But this is a support zone or a resistance zone. Do we have anything happening? This is a long ass video. Do I even have the space for this? Probably not. I'll figure it out though. Holy shit. This is crazy. It's good that we wait, and it's good to keep learning. Like, we're still learning. After this, I'm gonna have to do some real estate stuff. But I haven't even been able to enter this trade yet. Like, we haven't even broke structure. Yeah, I guess we did here. There's no fair value gap there. We disrespected it, but now we're pulling back up. But that's a strong push away. Just get rid of that because it's kind of annoying. But this is what TJR strategy is. Actually, it wouldn't fucking work because London's high is here. So on the 30, we're fucking crazy bullish. Little doji candle. The move is going to happen soon. Lower high, lower low. We're still in a bearish trend right now. In the 5 minute, we're just looking for a good entry. In the 1 minute, we're kind of fucking chopping it up. The move already fucking happened. Okay, so we are getting that pull up now with the US dollar. That's a good sign. So maybe we can look for, so we have a higher high. We have a higher high. Shit. Higher high. Higher low. Over here we have a lower high and a higher high. Ooh. That's a bullish SMT. Higher high and a lower high. Bearish SMT. So yeah, we should go, I don't even know, honestly. Not too sure about how that works. So we are pulling up above that. So now we broke structure upside now. We did tap in here, could have took a long, but it's not what I thought for today. That retrace would have been nice. That is a perfect retrace. Actually, it filled the, oh my goodness. That's crazy. Let's see. What are we doing now? So order block isn't, so that's not a fucking order block. Now we swept out these highs. Now this is the swing high. No, it's bullish. Yeah, so we missed out on today's day. 12:15 now. Necessarily the moves have been made. I don't actually know. But with news today, it was good on the dollar. You know, we swept out these lows and looks like we're going high. But it's weird with what we're doing here on gold. So not much of a fan of this. high, pushing this high now. I guess there was a liquidity pool up here that I should have thought about. All this was just about to be taken out now before. But this is all low resistance here. But same with up here. Just those. So if we're pushing up here, then there goes the move. Unless that's the sweep. But we're in an uptrend here. If anything, that would be the sweep. Wait, let's check the 1 hour. I kind of want to see. Yeah, like that's crazy. There's news tomorrow as well. But before market opens. Wouldn't be a New York continuation because London actually took out Asian's high. Then what we did is we manipulated it. So, I don't know. It's weird that we're both high in. Well, I guess we're not. Where's our swing high to swing low here? Swing high. Swing low. We filled our 50%. Fuck. Swing low. Swing high. Yeah, we filled that 50 here as well. So we didn't reach this high yet. People hit some crazy trades today, I would say. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop it there because it's starting to get late. Wait, what time is it in session? I think it's only 10:45 a.m. No, we can still trade. I'm just saying this can still happen, but we are respecting fair value gaps and shit. So like, damn. Okay. I'm gonna make a video for my Instagram, shit like that. I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff after this. But it's unfortunate that we missed the move. I thought it was bearish from seeing what was happening before, but I guess it's just how it goes. But now we're just pushing up. Maybe we want to push all-time highs. I need to see this. Hold on. Watch this. All-time highs is actually very far away. Never mind. But look at all this liquidity we took out. Look at that move. We're probably going to take this out. Unless we edge it. We did take this out. But look, you can see even on the 15, like New York opens, we inverse this. I was thinking we were going to tap into here, you know, make a move. No, fully inversed. Which is okay, because that's just how it goes. But we can maybe get that move up, sweep it, come down. Requires patience for sure. People probably wanted to take that, but that was just a 15-minute retrace. So what the fuck did we just take? What the fuck did we just sweep? Let's just watch it happen. Let's just watch. See what can happen here. See if we can get anything that we want to happen. Maybe not. But again, maybe. Right? Right! Right! Exactly! I need to watch more videos or some shit. But look, we got an inverse for value gap here. No, we don't. Yeah, right there. We filled it. Now we gone. Fucking bitches. Now we're on an uptrend again. I don't know. This trade would be nice if we could sweep that and then come down and take that out. But that's a long move. What the fuck are we sweeping here? That's the high in the move. Move up, move down. Move up, move down. Move up, move down. That's the high. That's not a high. I don't know why it's... We got fucking edged here. Big time. Now we're moving down. Oh, thank you, fucking genius world. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's watch it. Oh, my leg. Oh. Sweeper! Can we inverse this? Can that happen? Or respect it? Oh my god. That's a strong push. Oh, okay, this is looking good. Okay, so we got our push that we wanted. But it did come down in this area and respect that. But if we can push through that, that would look really good. If not, then shit. Okay, bearish. Maybe this could be the sweep we're looking for. But there's also a fair value gap there. 15 minutes. Put up. 5 minutes. New candle. 1 minute. Inverse fair value gap, baby. Right here. This is the area we want to hit. Nope, never mind. It's not an inverse fair value gap yet. But we broke structure in 1 minute. This is good. I gotta get the fib tool out. Hold on. Shit, my bad. It's the swing high to swing low. Because we're looking for the... Okay, we need a closure below that 79. New trend. If we can close below here. So we did not make a inverse for value gap on the 1 minute. We pushed through it. We are on a new trend right now in the 1 minute. Perfect. 5 minute. Could be a new trend. But we are going up. Okay, so now we're pushing back up. This stuff's so confusing sometimes. This is a long ass fucking video. Wow. I gotta keep looking. learning. I'm still only 2 months into this. 3 now. 3 months trading. I've learned so much, I think. Let's get that reverse now. There's our sweeper. Oh, that's fun to say. Close down here. So yeah, so like even the hardest push down, it doesn't want to keep going. Let me see this now. We didn't hit the 50 there. Oh, that's the swing fucking low. Sweeper! Inverse, inverse, inverse. Yeah, hard push. Hard. Wouldn't be an inverse. Okay, this is good. This is good. See this? We're starting to pull up here now. Now we're getting that move. Now we can look for this. Now we're lagging. Look, we're lagging behind the US dollar here. I gotta piss, but I can't miss this. I can't. Oh, I gotta piss so bad. Okay, fuck. Good, US dollar's moving up. Huge sign. Huge sign. Alright, we are on that trend to go down. See, now it's happening. Now it's happening. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, lower low. Higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we're fucking flipping the dick. Is there anything I'm missing here? Anything that I missed? Inverse fair value gap. No. Balanced price range, BPR. That's also a BPR, but there's not a BPR. This would be a BPR. No, it wouldn't. This would be. That move down, move up. That would be the... We haven't even made a fucking low yet on the higher time frame. That's crazy. What time's in the market right now? 11 a.m. in the market. That's fucking wild. How much time we have in this video? 1 hour 34. I thought we were longer than that. No, we're not longer than that. Okay, now we're moving up. Was that just a 5-minute retrace? It was too, look. Bearish. Bull. We're just respecting fair value gaps like it's madness. Are we about to make a new swing high again? Or is that our swing low? Wouldn't that be our swing low? It would be. Yeah, it is too. Okay, so now we took this out. Oh my god, we took out all that. God damn it. So we have a new swing high. Okay, now we can look for one of those big moves down. So all our key time frames are hit. Like we just took out all this liquidity. When did New York open? So we took out this, 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 this. Like I would like to see reverse off that. Whoa. So liquidity sweep, if we can have it. If we can have it. Okay, I am gonna go for a piss. I'm not. I'm back. Okay. This is a long ass video. No one's gonna watch this whole fucking thing. Oh, I like this. Let's inverse that. What's the US dollar doing? Oh my god, we have to go down. We don't have to, obviously, but New York came down, took out these lows, and came up. New York went up, took out all these highs, and now we're falling down. It makes fucking sense! It makes fucking sense! What's GJ doing? GJ swept. Started in a fair value gap. That sucks. Swept up these lows. Now we're going up. It's cool. Alright, let's watch for a hard move down, which kind of happened. We didn't push down. Now we're kind of just chopping it up. I want that 79 closure down here. But that would be our swing low. Swing low, swing high. I might have that wrong. Let me just try something. Shit, my bad. That makes more sense. I had that wrong. That's my bad. Because if we were playing it like that, I would go like this. Okay, that's our swing low. No, that's not how it works. Now we're pushing back up to the area again. We did respect that for value gap. This for value gap. Waiting for our sweeper. Like, sometimes it does take a while for it to happen, but the move was bullish today. Like, if we look at this, it was down, then it came up, then it came back down again. That was New York session. And then it just chopped it up. But you would have hit that trade for sure if you targeted here. Basically would have hit it. The next area of liquidity is hit that's high resistance for sure. But all these were taken out. Now we can come down and take all these out. Unless we want to keep pushing up. We have a new swing high again. Oh my goodness. I need that sweep to happen. Look at the fucking US dollar. It's a hard fucking rejection out of that though. News didn't do anything to the US dollar. Or to this. Where was news today? I think it was 11:30, so it was an hour ago. Would have been 10:30. So we have a lower low and a higher low. And over here, we have a higher low and a higher high. Higher low and a higher high. That means bearish. But the problem is, we already fucking dabbed into that cocksucker. Wowzers. Long ass video. Unless that meant the SMT here. We have a lower low and a higher low. Over here, we had a higher low and a lower low. I gotta learn SMTs more. But I don't get it. We're pulling up on the dollar. Dollar is bullish. Why is this fucking bullish? Guess it shouldn't really matter, but we are moving. Like, if I compare, hold on, watch this. DXY. If I compare, like, you can see that. Oh, why is it fucked up? Yeah, look. They're interchanging right now. The US dollar, we spoke here. Now we're crossing here, and we're just both going up. Shit, I'm fucking up big time here. Let me go to the 30. And then I'll put it in. DXY, yeah. I don't get it. I wish this did better on showing that. Sweeper! 5 minute. 1 minute. I'm gonna check with my Discord on what they have done as well. So let me get this. Let me pull this up. Where is my Discord too? I want to find you. Let's pull up the Discord here. What's going on here? Downloading. Installing. All I have to do is pull it up. Pull up in the bin truck. I'm thinking more sell buy. My bias for gold was bearish. But completely screwed me. Screwed that. What y'all think? Still a swing high. Now we're going up more. Like shit. Yeah, I don't know. Really thought we were bearish. Does not look long to me. More DXY is pushing up right now. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, facts. When did 9:34 a.m.? I'll come back. I don't know what these people think. But obviously I could be wrong. Let's see. Yeah, Uzi, you're right, brother. If we can get this reversal, wow, it would be huge. I want to see what these people think. This guy. I want to check the 4 hour just like he did. Yeah, we disrespected that. Who's this guy? What does he have here? Does he have longs? Is he in on longs? I can't even tell. There's so much stuff on his screen. I don't even know what he's got there, to be honest with you. Doesn't gold usually follow? I thought it would be the opposite. Maybe it does follow. That could be the SMT right there. So we have a lower low. We have a lower low and a higher low. Over here we have a lower low and a higher low. Fuck. Oh, that's what we want though, that push down. I need to talk to my gold people. Wait, so gold and XY move in the same direction? No, they don't. No, no way I'm wrong about that, am I? Don't quote me on it. That could be that reversal we're looking for. I don't know, to be honest with you. Because we do see that this happened. And we have a lower low and a higher low. Here we had a lower low and a higher low. That means bearish SMT. Oh no, wait. That means bullish. Why am I fucking stupid? That could mean they go in the same direction. Could it be? No. Is this the sweep? Is this the movement we want? Because of all this? They are following each other. It's the same moves. Look at that big high. Okay, we're starting to come down now. There's no inverse fair value gap, but there will be a fair value gap that it might make. How about the 15? Still low. On the 5. I'm so happy that I do this to watch what the markets are doing. What are these people saying? If anything, looking at the higher time frames, looking straight at 34440, so that it can be seen as a bullish September. So this week is trying to pump some bulls in the daily chart. What's these guys saying? I think we're still bearish, but not fully sure though. Just risking some amounts. I think the same thing, brother. So this could be my sell that I want. But then again, we don't 100% know. I want, this is a good sign. So we have bearish fair value gap here. Okay, let's just fucking, if it's formed in 3 minutes, I should wait 3 minutes before I gotta stop forming them right away. So they're still bull. We're finally making a low. No. But we did sweep that. I should be checking the 4 hour too. We completely inversed the shit out of this. But London already did. So that's our 4 hour high. Our 4 hour high is right here. That's our 4 hour high. and that's a 4-hour low. Up, down. Sorry, take an hour, so this is the low. Bitcoin. It could be moving in the same direction for the next 25, 50 years. What? Wait, hold on. It could be moving in the same direction for the next 25 to 30 years. 50 years. What? It's kind of the same, like. That's crazy. Look at that. Pre-market also came down and then pulled up. Is that how it works? I'm so confused. I'm still learning. I'm still also learning. But that's cool to look at. Like, it wouldn't be that. It would be this. No, it would be that. My bad. So that's a lower low and a higher low. Over here we have a lower low and a higher low, which is so close to it. It's not a lag. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't think we're going to trade today. God damn it. I gotta go eat. That was my stomach. That was my stomach. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm not fucking eating. Does it follow? Okay, so we have 8 a.m. Where's fucking 8 a.m.? 8 a.m. today is here. What's this? 9:30 a.m. Right when market opens. So, market opened on DXY and we fell. Market opened on New York here on gold and we flew up. We took out this low and almost London's low. We took out this lower time frame low and then we swept it and then pushed up. On gold, we just fucking pushed up. We're getting strong rejections to the upside. I don't even know, dude. See, this is where doubt comes into play. With it could be moving the same direction. Yeah, who the fuck thought that? My goodness. I need to learn SMT better. Let's actually go and let's watch a video on SMT. How do I get the fuck out of here? My channel. Okay. So let's search up DXY XAUUSD SMT. Does anyone have a video on it?
in-depth breakdown of how to use SMT divergence so you guys can start winning more trades instantly. If you guys don't know what SMT divergence is, don't worry. That's why I'm here.
Let's watch this.
I have an important announcement for everyone in Canada.
Mark
I'm
Carney.
inviting you to register for our online program. This program was developed to
Looks
give
like
back
fucking
and
Carney.
provide meaningful opportunities. AI is the future.
This is a full in-depth breakdown of how to use SMT
Okay, every now and then we'll check back and forth.
divergence so you guys can start winning more trades instantly. If you guys don't know what SMT divergence is, don't worry. That's why I'm here. So let's jump into the charts and let's get into it. So first things first, I just want to go on here and show you guys what an
But
SMT
it's
divergence is going to
NQ.
look like. And let's just like fucking describe.
But this is NQ and ES. That's why I kind of want to trade that. So I can start learning about it. Because look at this down here, like this higher low was made after this one was made. Does no one make...
The dollar index can help you make more money trading if you use it right. Hello, I'm James from JEAFX. I'm a currency trader with over 5 years of experience and a coach with 800 students globally. In this video, I'm going to show you how I buy US 30 short and take profits that we've already accumulated. At this point, I was unsure whether we should hold it.
Dow
If it was
Jones.
the market did follow through into...
No, I need DXY. That's fake.
Everyone to see this candle ends
Bro even
here
thinks
to
it's
the
bearish too.
73 in red. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see another candle.
Bro, this guy thinks it's... Oh, he hit it fucking long. Damn.
What is up, guys? It is Justin back with another video, a highly requested video. I've been getting like...
I like these moves. Hold on here. That's our new swing high. I don't get it. Are they the same? Why does no one have a video on this?
Hi guys, today
Most traders...
I go crazy. That was my chart.
What up, guys? It's Kojo Forex here, and as you already know, anytime it happens here, in the sense that when we had dollar index basically trading from the beginning of the week,
I made $56,000.
No, fuck up.
If you're trading gold or currency pairs,
Oh my god. Okay. Maybe this is the move. Okay, break a structure. Okay, we're started. Let's hop on the fucking MetaTrader. But there's no like inverse for value gap. I guess the move up, move down. Move down, move up, move down. Look, we have a higher high and a lower high. Higher high and lower high is a bearish SMT. Right here we have a lower high and a higher high. I don't understand fully. No, I need to learn more about that shit. We have a lower high and a higher high. Right here we have a higher high and a higher low. Lower high, higher high is bearish. higher high, higher low is bearish. Lower low, lower high we have a low low and a higher low. That's bullish. We have a low low and a higher low. That's bullish. So that could be our SMT there that we're looking for. Maybe it does fucking correlate as the same movements. Does it fucking copy it? I don't understand. Fuck's sake. Anyways, we're pushing up and we're still making that movement. 15. On the 5. On the 1. Okay, we are getting our pull down. But could this be like a 30-minute retrace? That would be where we want to go if it was retracing down. So let's mark that. It's also for value gap in a low time frame there as well. Higher high, lower high. Lower high, higher high. Bearish. Higher high, lower high. Bearish. But that's how it works. Like SMT here, respect fair value gap. We gotta push out of it. That wouldn't be enough for me. Basically, we got that sweep. Price didn't close above it. We're starting to create that bearish trend down. We disrespected this. It's a good sign. Maybe we will make a trade today. But I've been here for a long time. A long time. After this, I'm also going to go for a run. Because I need to fucking just... Okay, respecting fair value gaps. So we got a sweep. We got a liquidity sweep up here. We came back up into it. Swept people who took that low. Now we're falling down, respecting that. I don't want to get a closure out of it. One more close. No, I would need to wait for... So we don't have a change of structure in the 15, but it shouldn't matter. Because we just look for reversals off of that. Lines with numerical values, the shit numbers don't lie. What are these lines? I'm fucking going crazy looking at that. Okay, so we're creating that push. So would we short that? I don't know. I'm a little iffy right now because I'd want to see this 5-minute imbalance get filled and respected because that kind of lines up with this. I'd want to see a retrace up into here and have my confirmation. But then that would change that structure there. But the overall 5-minute, I would like to see that. We do have an SMT. Oh fuck, now we're going up. Oh yeah, it's a 5-minute. I need to wait for the 5-minute. I need that to be respected. What are we coming down towards though? Where are we pushing down to? What orders are we filling? There's orders filled down here. Take profits. There's no orders down there. That's the only fair value gap. I want to see a closure here. Pull up into here and respect that. Sweep, break a structure, fair value gap filled. There is no inverse fair value gap though. Now we're pushing up here. So now this is the move that we want. I need to wait still for the confirmation. Then we can maybe take a trade today. Possibly. They don't correlate with the same movements. They're opposites. They're opposite because it's gold against the US dollar. Here's the US dollar. We have a nice strong push. But we also have a fucking monstrosity of a push there. 1 minute, we're respecting fair value gaps. 5 minutes. I want that fucking retrace up there. I would not trade yet. But I will catch this move early. Massive break structure, by the way. We have to retrace back up in the area like this. We don't have to, but we could. Now, this I don't like. The price doesn't know what it wants to do. We want that candle closure, though. Because it's still not a fair value gap yet. In 15 seconds, it is a fair value gap. So if we can come up into here, respect that, then I'll take a trade. Or we can just push down. That's a new candle right there. No, fair missing out, not a thing. Respected this one, respected this one. Inverse the shit out of this. We didn't come back up. Now we're going down. Okay, good. Continuation, we're going down. This is a good sign. I want to look for something. Some people top tick that. Take profit. I don't even know. New York's low. What time is it in the day? It's around lunchtime. It's not as volatile now. Oh, it's very volatile now. 5 minute retrace maybe? Sweeper. So we got our sweeper up here. But there was no fair value gap to be filled. There's a high, high. Okay, that's what I want. 5 minute retrace. Come back up to that area for me. If we can get that, then perfect. That's the 5 minute fair value gap. 5 in FVG. So if we see that happen, that's a good sign. But we're also in this, but that minute shouldn't matter. So we came back up into that fair value gap again and filled it. If we get a push out of it, I'd probably, no, I'm iffy about it. Hesitant. This is a good sign. Thing is, it's still on an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Could be a higher low here. But if we close in 2 minutes here, pull up, creating a fair value gap on the next 15. But the move could be done by then. No, it should not be done by then. That's why we wait. So we got our sweep. We got price came back up in again. That's the order block, by the way. Order block. Sweep, order block, push out, fair value gaps. I'm just waiting for a continuation. Equilibrium. Wait, hold on. I might have fucking missed this. Or swing high to swing low. Swing high to swing low. There's our 79 extension. Close out of it. We closed out of the 79 extension, but I want the price to come back in here one more time to retrace up for us. We got our sweep. We have a fair value gap here, which is in line with this. Price wants to come up here before we go back down. And that would be considered a close below our 79 extension. It is rejecting that though. 2 hours, 18 minutes video. Wowzers. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Anyways, let's just chat. How the fuck are we? Oh, I'm going nuts here. Alright, good. Come on. Up in here for me. Yes. That's gonna be our stops will be above here. TP is gonna be down here at the 50%. Because that's where price would want to retrace if it's the high time frame retrace. I think that's fair. Come on, find our way back up to this area, because that could be an order block as well. But I want that confirmation of higher highs, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We didn't really come up into it yet. But if we can just come and tap it, give it a little tap tap, that would be great. No, I want that move up, not the down. I'm actually going to take the trade though. Like, I will. I need it to go up in that area for me. My stop's going to be above this high or this high. Yeah, it'll be above that high. What is that 5 minute? Okay, well, I'm getting up into it. Come on, go up into it for me. If we can respect this, then I know that we're going to be bearish. Okay, we're in it right now. But I'm not taking a trade yet. Just give me a sec. I want to get a push out of it. I need a 5-minute candle closure out of it. No, I need, okay, we're in a fair value gap here now. If I can get what I want. So we are pushing through it. Yes, so we are pushing through it. So I'm kind of glad that. Wow. It's a strong push. People definitely took a trade off that. That's why we wait. So if we do push through this, then I'm fucking disregarding this whole thought process. We didn't have a 5-minute inverse. It was just a sweep and then push up. Maybe, just maybe. No, we close above it on 1 minute. Now we're in a bullish trend, but on the full 5, you can see that we're not actually. If we get a close out of it, it would still count. Because that's our 79 extension closure below on that movement. Let me check 30. Hold on. 30. Just created its low. Go to 1 hour. Yeah. So there's 30 seconds. I would need a closure out of it. So 27 seconds. Can we reject it? 15 seconds. It's a price range where we want it to be at. Okay, 4 seconds here. Okay, new candle. Let's see what happens. Let's check the 1 minute. Okay, so we are making our way down. We're stuck. We're fucking stuck here. Just hold on. This next few candles are important. Yeah, that's what we want. Push. Push. This is good. Give us a push out. Ooh, don't like that. We didn't take a trade yet though, so. That's good though. I like that. It doesn't want to go higher. I don't know. It seems like it's just being funky. So close out of it. I'll trade. It's being fucking weird. It's absolutely stuck where it is. I want to see the 1 minute candles. Yeah, so now it's going up. This is crazy. We're still in a good spot. I'm only trading down here, so it's all good. entire time frames are showing that it's bullish. The 15-minute, we're making that. Yes, we are pushing up, so I would probably disregard today's trading. I don't want to force anything. It's just if it played in front of me here, then I would have kept it, but it looks like we're pushing up there. In the 1 minute, we've changed our structure. We did get our 7-9 extension closure below, but we need to wait for the retrace, and then it closed down here. But then again, that'd be a change in the trend. There's a minute and 31 left in here. It doesn't seem like it wants to respect this price range, so it would have already respected it. So if this happens, I'm not going to trade today. And my MacBook's almost dead. Ooh. What's it at? 10%. I gotta plug that in. Yeah, so looks like we're disrespecting that, so probably just wanted to edge people that we're gonna take a trade. If we close in 20 seconds above this, but I want to trade that 30-minute retrace to a fair value gap. Okay, so we haven't closed above it. Now we have. Get rid of that shit now. So yeah, no, I'm not gonna trade today. This is crazy, by the way. I need to learn this. I need to really learn this. We had our sweep. Liquidity sweep. Let's watch here. Let's see. So let's say we're just chilling. Okay, high time frame got hit. Oh, wait, that's where it is. Liquidity sweep. Okay, we saw it. Okay, sorry. Key level hit. Okay, let's scale in. 15, we can see. Still on the downtrend at 15. No, we're not. Uptrend. So we got our sweep, we scale down, we see that fair value gap here, disrespected. Big time, actually. If price wanted to go down, I would have respected all those areas. But what was everyone here saying? Not much. But yeah, I'm not gonna. It's too late in my day. It's 1:26 p.m. What's the market here? 11:55 a.m. I guess lunch we can stop, if anything. But we are pushing down now. But that's the move that I want to see. I need a 75 closure below that. Yeah, like, look for reversal on low time frame, 1 minute 5 minute. Inverse value gap, break a structure, 7-9 extension fit. Look for low time frame continuation, fair value gaps, equilibrium, breaker block, order block. But we didn't get an inverse. It doesn't want to go higher. And we're going higher here. I don't understand. I thought these played against each other. You know, we get a move up here. You think we get a move down here? Wrong. And news was good today, so we could have shorted that. Let's get rid of that because we're not. That's disregard the shit out of that. Oh, my leg. Look. Oh, kick my legs up for a bit. Take a load off. What time is it here for me? Yeah, we're gonna walk away from this today. We're not gonna trade. My bias is completely off. Even if this does play in our favor, then we know that we're right about something. But let's just get off here. What a day for patience. We're done with this here. Yeah, so what a day we had for patience. We just sat here for a couple hours and didn't trade. We didn't force anything. We thought our bias was bearish. Unfortunately, it was not. Pre-market was bearish, but then we opened and we just flew up. We did strongly reject up to the big highest. We had a big liquidity pool up here on top of everything anyway, and this is all taken out. We've taken all of it out, so we could possibly look for that reversal now. But the problem is we disrespected a fair value gap that we wanted to be respected. Now, if price does end up coming down, perfect, because we knew that our bias was right, wrong, but right. And I think that would have been smart to trade right here. Sorry, let me show you. I think it probably would have been smart for us to trade in this area, because it would have been a 30-minute retrace if it wanted to keep going high. So even if that's 50% right there. Like, it kind of lined up for us to be bearish, but it's just unfortunate that it didn't happen when we wanted it to. And now we're just pulling up. We don't want to go higher and we don't want to go lower. It's just weird. But if price does go down to that area, that's cool. It'd be a quick trade. It probably will go down there. But we can't find the right entry, so why would we trade? I want to see the 1 minute. Now it's hard pushing down. Oh, shit. See, like, hold on, I want to check the 15. Wait, is there any 15 fair value gaps? No. Well, we can see that we made a higher high, higher low. Lower high. And if we can close below this, if we can close below that, it would be a break of structure. God damn it. Be a break of structure there. If we close below there on the 15. And also, it would be at the bottom of our fair value gap. It's cool to look at. We have a bearish imbalance right here, a little tiny one. I don't know. I'm going to leave it here. I got to go eat. And I had to go for a walk or a run. I got to just get out of the room because I've been here for a while. But that's going to be it here. This is a long-ass video. I don't expect you guys to watch it, so I'm going to tell you to skip to the end. No trade. Our bias was wrong. Wait, hold on. We're going down right now. Hold on. Hold on here. I want that closure below there, because then it would be bearish. Sweeper. What time's in the day? 12. So it's lunch right now for the market movers. But yeah, I don't want to be trading past this time, so that's all for today. We're going to get rid of it. We're actually going to stop. Even if it does go, I'm going to be pissed, but I don't care. Anyways, I'm going to tell you to skip to the end there. So yeah, we didn't trade. Great day for patience. I think I spoke about this already, but no fucking trade. So with that being said, Oh, I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this right now. And I'll catch you guys. I go shave and stuff too. Holy shit. God damn. I will catch you guys tomorrow. For the same thing. I'm gonna do this now from now on. This is gonna be the go-to. Because I enjoy that. Just me chatting it out with myself. Listening to myself talk. But we're learning, so I'll catch you tomorrow. Long ass fucking video. Take care. Hope you hit your TP. If you went long, you hit your TP 100%. I'm going to learn a bit more too, so. Peace. Peace.